All right, Steve Palladino from Palladino Power Project, and want to briefly go over Google Chrome extension that will give you added metrics and functionality in Stryd PowerCenter. It was developed by David Giuliano, and it's free and it's actually great. So let me go through it really quick. The name of the Chrome extension, which allows you to work within Chrome browser, working on PowerCenter and add some metrics. It's called RE in Stryd, running effectiveness in Stryd. So it's going to add running effectiveness. It's also going to add a percent of FTP. So it adds that, and you go to the Google Chrome Web Store and you look for the RE in Stryd Google extension. I'll put the link in the notes for this video. That's how you get it. Once you do get it, then what you want to do is open the extension with this little tab up here. You're going to click on that, go to options, click on options, and it'll bring you to this page. And all you're going to do is enter your stride weight. It has to be your stride weight, not your real weight. Stride weight, and then your CP, your current CP. If these things change over time, you've got to change these over time. So stride weight and your CP. And one thing that is added here, if you leave this blank, it will detect what the Stryds PowerCenter stored value is and use that as your percent of CP. I usually enter that because I'm working with a bunch of different athletes that send me their files, so I usually add their CP and stride weight. So you're going to download the extension. You're going to open options, enter your stride weight and your CP if you want to override whatever PowerCenter has stored for you. And then you will go ahead and open up a file. Here's a file of a runner that I'm using. And now you'll see running effectiveness for that entire segment, for that run, and for the percent of CP. You also will see those same two values down here displayed for the laps. So you can see that for this lap, it was at 108% of CP, and it was a little bit lower running effectiveness, probably because it is that uphill segment. If I click on it, you can see that, yeah, it was mostly uphill, so running effectiveness is going to be lower. So this adding these two metrics gives you a little bit more information, lets you learn a little bit more about your power and your running effectiveness. I'm going to show you one other feature. Let's say I want to select just this part from after the hill to the finish. Notice up top that running effectiveness and CP is recalculated for that selected segment. Really cool, great app. I highly recommend it. It does require that you use Google Chrome as a web browser to utilize this extension, but it is well worth it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.